So we're out of the market and we're going to the shopping mall. Everyone is here for the aircon. Oh, so there's an event happening.
Juga melakukan percobaan kehadiran Datuk Atul Khadir Sahib Direktur Serba TNI.
It's like a lottery.
Encik Syarul Anwar bin Hamid Pegara Negeri Pension Sarawak, Wan Ananta Rabai Ketua Pengurusan Deposit Negeri Sarawak. Kita sama-sama mengikat pengajian gembira ke Carnival BSN NSP 2024.
Propaganda. Oh wow, that's so cool. I'm not a big fan of filming inside shopping malls, but that's just an excuse for me to get to the aircon. I'll just show you the vibe. Like, it's like four floors. It's called the Waterfront, I think it's called the shopping mall. So most of the shopping center, the last level is a food court. That's for the kids here. Alright, India Street is down there, and they told me if I go straight, this is the waterfront. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm impressed with this city. Like, it's very green compared to many cities in Malaysia. Look at the mosque right on the water. MashaAllah, that's amazing. Oh wow, look at the water show there. So pretty. Look at that. People fishing there. I wonder how they got there. Amazing. It's like explosion. So refreshing. You feel the breeze coming from the water. I wonder what this building is. I don't think it's a mosque. No, definitely not. Must be government building or something. Come on, fishermen, catch something. I have no idea how they got there. Trying to see, I can't see any ladder or anything. Hi sir, what is this building there? What's this building? Where is it? That's not a mosque.
I don't know this place. I don't know.
Government building? This one?
Maybe government.
Alright, okay. Had no idea. So I've seen there's a small boat. I saw it crossing to the other side, but I have no idea what's in the other side. And there was someone waiting down there on the stairs, and then I saw the boat coming from the other side. So I don't want him to come all the way and then I don't even know where I'm going. Maybe there's nothing, maybe people are living there. Must be like a small village or something. But I will try my luck and go downstairs. And if the boat sees me, I guess he will come. And then we can ask how much is it and what is in the other side. Hopefully he can speak English because it's not always the case. But yeah, we'll try. So we'll just stand there and see if he comes. Look at this beautiful mosque right on the water. Wow. There's a lady there doing some cleaning. Let's see if the boat sees me. If he does come, then we can ask. But the problem is, I don't want to make him come all the way and then I'm not even crossing. Won't be nice. The water looks quite dirty, to be honest. Like, I wouldn't swim in there. But they were fishing, so not sure. A few moments later, the boat is finally coming. But I have no idea if I make him come for nothing or he's gonna take me back there. And I have no idea what is there. And I'm just hoping that I can speak English because otherwise we're stuck. Look at the pirate standing right there. Oh no, he's coming just for me, guys. There's no one on board. Now that will be crap. If I can't go with him, I will have to tip him, no choice. That's traditional way. Hello? Speak English? Little bit, good. So what is in the other side?
Malay village.
Malay village?
Yes.
So what's this building, the white and green? There is the cafe?
Oh, the house, the people live there over there.
All right, so if I go there, what is in there? There's nothing for me.
No, nothing.
No cafe, no shops,
No,
nothing?
No.
All right.
Village.
Okay, so how much is the cross if I go with you back and forth?
1 ringgit.
Okay, so I will do that. I will go there and then come back.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, you can
Thank
go
you.
in. Man, I know. Be careful.
Yeah. What a simple life, honestly. Look at that, he's got his veggies. Sometimes I envy them, like how simple is their life. Veggies for sale. Got everything. Oh, the engine is right there. Ah, that's like a 50cc engine. Beautiful. Yeah. From Morocco. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, brother. So yeah, this is a village actually.
Yes, Malay. All Malay.
Malay village, yeah?
Yes, all Malay, yeah.
Ah, you live there as well?
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. You know everyone, yeah?
I'm just here.
Yeah. Oh, you live there?
Yes.
So they don't have a cafe there?
No.
Ah, nothing.
That's it.
Only house. Yeah.
You can over there.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Many fish in this river? What about crocodile? No crocodile.
That's crocodile.
Have crocodile?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes, in the river, and then up there, you can see the crocodile.
All right. All the way there. Yeah.
Welcome to Kuching.
Thank you, brother.
Yes. What time here?
Yeah, first time in Kuching. Yeah.
Have a nice day.
This one you will get a good tip. It deserves. Really nice.
We're landing. Landing time.
Landing time, yeah?
Landing to my village.
This is like the traditional way, eh?
Yes, that is
Nice.
avenue also.
This house should be a cafe, brother, this house. Because it's right by the river.
Yes, that's cafe.
Yeah.
We don't sell anymore.
Yeah.
Yes. No.
Brother, can I walk a little bit and then come back?
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Thank you.
Okay, you can walk.
And
then you come here again?
yeah, I come here. Tell the gentleman here I will pay for him.
Okay.
No pay. Hey.
Nenek.
I pay. I pay for you.
Okay,
Yeah, no problem.
no problem.
I see you soon, brother.
Okay,
yeah?
brother.
What's your name?
My name is Openg.
Offing Idris.
Idris. Welcome,
Idris. Thank you, brother.
Yes, brother. Be careful, brother.
Yeah. No worries. Just quickly, I will just go quickly and come back. MashaAllah, this guy was very nice. This is the Malay village. Kampung Malay. Kampung Malay, yeah? Yeah. Robojil. Sugri Bijil Basa. Ah, okay. So that's the name of the village. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I guess they've been here for a very long time, these people. Look at the streets. I won't go further. The only reason it's so hot, so I'm just gonna cross back. So today I will pay for everyone because it's only 1 rupee, 1 ringgit, which is, yeah, really nice guy. Haji, salam alaikum. And you get the view as well.
Okay, brother.
Yeah, brother. You don't go to the mosque there? No?
No.
Ah, okay. What do you call this mosque there? City mosque, is it?
City mosque, I call it in Malay. The most Bahagian.
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 Yes.
Bahagian mosque.
This mosque is called India mosque.
India mosque.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Muslim.
Yeah.
India Muslim.
MashaAllah.
I want to see my fish also.
Oh, you got fish?
Big fish.
Oh, you catch it?
Yes.
Wow! Can you take it out, brother? Wow, that's amazing. Here. Wow, how do you catch it?
I use the one rope,
Yeah,
one stone,
yeah.
one what? I call it.
Meat?
Yes.
Meat?
I use the banana.
Banana?
Yes.
Wow, and
Banana.
wow, just with banana.
Yes.
So what fish is it, brother? Do you know? Carp or something?
I call that fish batting.
Batting?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Amazing, brother.
Amazing, brother.
Yeah,
Okay, brother.
thank you.
We go cross, brother. Where you stay here?
I stay in Jalan
Jalan.
Jalan
Jalan.
Island. Jalan.
Nohan.
No.
Where?
He's teasing me. Eh?
No.
Jalan. I will tell you. I will take out my phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Jalan Merdeka.
Ja-
Merdeka. Ini is Merdeka, yeah?
Mareka.
Merdeka.
Madeka. Oh, that's it.
Like that.
Madeka.
Oh,
Yeah.
Jalan. The other name is Merdeka.
Yeah.
Okay, I put
He's
it.
gonna start the engine.
Okay, you fine.
Hey.
You married already?
Yeah, married. Yeah.
Are you married?
I'm married. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
My wife Indonesian.
Oh,
Indo. Yeah.
Indonesia. Not far from here. Right.
What a simple life. It's amazing.
Okay. Okay, brother. So, brother.
I pay for them. Yeah.
Okay.
And her.
Okay.
That's for you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
See you next time. Yeah.
Yes.
See you.
See you.
Thank you. Thank you. All good. Yeah. No problem. Yeah.
Arigato.
Thank you. What a funny, nice guy.
Just jump on now.
See you, brother.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Yes, brother. Welcome again, brother.
Thank you very much.
Yes, brother. See you soon, brother.
Yeah.
Careful.
Yeah.
Careful for your journey.
I will.
Run.
Yeah, alone. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Morocco. Okay, brother.
Assalamu alaikum. I love you, brother. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. Thank you. MashaAllah, what a simple life. So amazing.